Hello, ABR-MarketWatch viewers. Let's dive into today's market action, where we see investors navigating a complex tapestry of corporate earnings, trade tensions, and key economic data releases. The pre-market U.S. stock trends show a downward trend for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, with the Dow Jones slightly in the green. This follows Tuesday's close where the S&P 500 and Dow finished lower, but the Nasdaq hit a fresh all-time high. Notably, Johnson & Johnson outperformed expectations, boosting its full-year forecast. Meanwhile, President Trump hinted at potential tariffs on pharmaceuticals by August 1st and further levies on semiconductors, keeping trade tensions in the spotlight. Today, investors are eyeing corporate earnings, notably Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley. The PPI report may shed light on escalating tariff-related inflation. Key events include the release of the June Producer Price Index report at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, signaling potential price hikes due to tariffs. U.S. Treasury yields are down before open, with Trump calling for lower interest rates. On trade, Indonesia agreed to pay a 19% tariff on exports to the U.S., while tariffs on Russia and EU/Mexico are also imminent. In terms of stocks, Bitcoin trades at $119,213, with positive gains. Crude oil dips, with gold gaining 0.3%, Bitcoin increasing 1.9%, and OPEC maintaining its global oil demand and economic growth projections for 2025 and 2026. Other economic highlights include the weekly mortgage applications bulletin, industrial production report for June, EIA domestic petroleum inventories report, Beige Book, and speeches from Fed Governor Michael Barr, our Fed President Thomas Barkin, Fed President Beth Hammack, and New York Fed President John Williams. As the day unfolds, we'll be keeping a close watch on these developments, so stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for updates throughout the trading day. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to making informed investment decisions. Until then, happy investing.